Hi folks, welcome back to the channel. And yes, it's been a while and we've eventually got our mushrooms ready to start fruiting. So we're going to go through the do's and the don'ts. So we're learning together. As I said, I've never done this before, but our good friends and specialists at Vaal Exotics have given us ample information, even a pamphlet on how to do this. But I've still asked and made sure that every step of the way we're giving you the right information. So here we go. If you have a look at this, we are ready to start opening up and spraying so that we can have some lovely, there's the first one, white oyster mushrooms. And if you have a look at this one, you'll see all the white along here. Now that, I believe, is the mycelium that is starting to get ready to fruit for us, or pip first, or pin first, and then we go from there. So yeah, quite exciting. And let's get cracking with sorting this lot out. Okay, so let's start with our first one, which is the grey oyster mushroom. And we're now just going to remove this little bit like that, and this one over here, they come off reasonably easy. And I think there's another one over there, and there's the other one over here. There we go. That's as simple as that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to put it in on top of the fridge, where there is a bit of sun that comes in, but there's no direct sun that comes onto that area at all. But we're also going to give it a bit of a spritz with the water, and we will carry on doing it once to twice to 3 to 4 times a day, depending on what is needed. So we will start with the spritz, and it really is pretty simple. It's just giving it a little bit of a spray. And I guess, seeing that we're going to do it once, twice a day, that should be ample for now. And yeah, if you see, there's a little bit running down there, but that's, I believe, is the way to do it. So here goes number one, and we'll pop it in place. And here's number two, the white oysters. Giving them a quick spritz here. And it's off to its habitat for a while. Okay folks, now those were the easy ones. Those were the buckets, and it's a simple thing. You pull off the little plugs and you spritz it, and there it is. Now we've got the packet one, which we're going to do. We're going to just fold back so that you can see what we're going to be doing here. We're going to fold back this plastic so that it looks like this, and we're going to pop it down in that exact way that we have received it. And we're going to cut along the top here, and we're going to cut along the middle over here. And then we're going to hit it with a spritz. So we put it on a plate so that obviously there's a bit of water that can run down and things. So there we go. And now that one's going to its home for a while. And we're going to do the same with the next packet. along the top. Make sure that your knife is clean, which I have cleaned it and sanitized it, so there shouldn't be any issues there. And we're going to give this one a spritz as well. And that, folks, is that for part 2 of how to grow your own mushrooms at home with a DIY kit. And don't forget, we are waiting for your comments for the competition. So I'm going to post another separate post with regard to the competition and what it entails and what we want you to do. So stick with us and we will give you all the details, and we're looking forward to giving you a nice prize, because I believe that you guys all deserve it. And thank you for watching the channel, and we've got more exciting things coming each and every time. Thanks a lot.